Okay, so I make this short video to explain how you figure out the net income, right? That is the way you work with the final project, right? You have to figure out what you bring home here. So think about you have the employee working 60 hours, right? So we know that we work with the 60 hour. That means you have overtime hour here, right? So the normal pay hour, you have a 40 a week, right? And out of that, for 20 hour here, you have the overtime pay hour, right? So suppose that you have the pay rate here, the hour rate here, you have 15, right? So now you got the normal pay. What do you have? Normal pay you have from the normal pay hour, you time to the rate here, right? You times the rate, that's why you have the 600 for normal pay, right? And for overtime pay here, right? Overtime pay here, think about we have 1.5 here for this one, right? Okay, so for the normal overtime rate here, you have 1.5. So overtime pay, you have it from the 20-hour working overtime, you time to hour rate, right? And you time to overtime rate here. So you have 450 for the overtime pay, right? And from that, the gross income, you have it in the total from normal pay plus with overtime pay here, right? So I have a for 1,050, it is gross income. Suppose that I have two dependent here, right? So in the total deductible here, it is a number of dependent and each of them 25 here. That's why the total deductible to 50 here, right? So from that one, I have to find out what is a taxable income. Taxable income, it is a gross income minus 4 total deductible here, right? So I have to find out the tax based on taxable income here, right? So in the final project, it tells you that you have a federal tax rate here. Federal tax rate is the 7.9, right? So I put the 7.9 here, and state tax rate is a 5.6. I put it here, right? So from that one, you have to find out federal tax. Federal tax, what is it? It is from the taxable income, right? Time federal tax rate and divide by 100 because percentage, right? Okay, and for this one also, the state tax here, you got it from the taxable income time state tax rate, right? And divide by 100. Yes. Okay. So now you have to find out the total tax. Total tax, it is a federal tax plus state tax here. Right? So we have to pay for 135 in total tax. So net income is what you bring home. You got it from the gross income. You minus it for the total tax. That means you bring home 915 here, right? I got it. I hope you got it now. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.